Welcome back to Dive Vibe. Today we are unboxing and taking a first look at the Shearwater Peregrine, so don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Zach, from Dive Vibe. I guess, am I Dive Vibe? I don't know. Some people call me Dive Vibe. That's fine. Anyway, today we're going to be unboxing the Shearwater Peregrine. I did this unboxing quite a while back. I have not had time to get back around to editing it and uploading it. Sorry for the weird upload schedule, but in the earlier part of this year, I was sick for like almost 2 months, just in bed. It was ridiculous. It's taken me a while to get back into shape, get back on track. I'm actually preparing for a dive trip, so leaving in a week or two to go to Mexico to do some cave diving, and that is where we're going to be testing out this bad boy for the most part. Really excited about that. So I've been doing a lot of preparation, a lot of running line on dry land, which looks hilarious, a lot of diving in pools, a lot of riding the bike, trying to get the cardio back. I don't want to have, like, embarrassingly bad air consumption. I'm already primarily a rebreather diver that's going to be diving open circuit. I'm not looking to make myself look that bad. I'm also bigger than everybody else, so got to make up for that. Can't be holding my team back. I bought the Peregrine because I have a Petrol 2 EXT with the Fisher Port, and I have a Petrol 3 with 4-pin. And the 4-pin, just because it's got the tail on it, it's got the long cable, I can't really take that diving open circuit. So that's not coming with on this trip. It's going to be the Petrol 2, and then I wanted to make sure I had a backup computer. So since I only dive trimix on a rebreather, I figured this backup computer didn't really need to have trimix functionality. I think it could be a great computer for that type of thing, and I wanted to review it. But when I first got it, I did do a proper unboxing, so let's go ahead and take a look at that footage and talk about what I found. So one thing that I really like about Shearwater lately is the packaging. Well, this is awesome because you've basically just got the case, which they're going to ship you anyway, and then a little cardboard sleeve. So very minimal on the packaging, yet effective, which is great because we don't want to be filling up landfills, right? As divers, we're supposed to be at least a little bit environmentally minded. I do love the presentation. It seems like there is just no wasted space. Orange bungee is a nice touch. This is the Adventures Edition. And of course, I've seen this on the other YouTube channels, but we gotta have that nice slow pull. Feels very solid in the hand. But that's par for the course with Shearwater, typically very well designed. We've got that infamous 278-foot test dive that they do. Surface 97 days is hopefully something that will never be on the screen of that computer again. Extra screen protector. We've got the normal wrist straps if you want to do that. Of course, I always recommend bungee. And this does use a wireless charger, so you just plug this thing in and slap the computer on there and you charge that way. It also works with other types of wireless chargers. They also include all the hardware and tools needed to install the strap. I love that they've got the foam cut out for them. It looks cool. Let's see what we got in the little zipper pocket here. We got the cable to supply power to our wireless charger. We've got a product information booklet, quality checklist, little wrist strap doodad, another wrist strap doodad. And that's it. You don't need a battery change tool on account of it having a rechargeable battery, which is pretty cool. We'll see how long that lasts. And it looks like that's about it. So, don't forget to let me know what questions you have so that I can address them in the full review video. I would also really like your feedback on what kind of content you'd like to see from the Mexico trip. Like, what type of videos do you want me to film while I'm there, other than, the products that I'm reviewing? So leave me a comment and let me know. That'd be great. I would love that. Like I said before, I know my upload schedule has been weird this year, so for those of you that are still here, thanks for sticking with me. You're awesome. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do that through Patreon and get access to some exclusive videos, some of my 3D print STL files, and your name in the credits on every video. And of course, my eternal gratitude. And as always, I'd like to say thank you to my patrons and thank you for watching this video today. I'm glad you decided to stop by. Thanks for diving with me today. I'll see you in the water.